Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
It's a very happy morning. Thank you so much for your drive-thru.
What a beautiful morning.
Yes.
This is a reminder for us that, eggs makes a lot of difference in our everyday life. Hindi lang natin to nabibigyan importance or hindi lang natin siya na-highlight kasi nga, lagi siyang nandyan.
Morning, sir. Happy morning.
Dami niyang nagagawa sa ating benefits. May it be for nutrition, may it be for mood, may it be for anything that you want to put meaning into eggs. Kung anong nagagawa niya sa buhay natin. And right now, it's somehow a celebration. That's why we celebrate the World Egg Day today. To thank the eggs. Yun yung ginagawa lagi ni McDonald's is to highlight morning things.
Good morning. Po, number 14. 737-227.
Ayaw nyo, kakainin ko talaga.
Morning, God. 729.
We're very much proud of it, and we're very much proud to be ambassadors of it because we tend to make people realize na let's not take small things for granted in general. This is a highlight. This is a moment to be remembered, and hopefully we get to do this every year.
Sarap.